5 shocking coronavirus facts China wants the world to forget. Gag order. A high-profile investigative report has accused Chinese officials of ordering labs to stop testing and destroy all samples of the coronavirus in the very early stages of the outbreak. It is also claimed that the Chinese laboratories identified a mystery virus as a highly infectious new pathogen by late December last year, but they were ordered to stop tests, destroy samples and suppress the news. The date was more than a week before the first patient in Wuhan, a 61-year-old man, passed away of the virus on January 9. Downplaying. Inside China, government officials downplayed the severity of the virus and tightly controlled information related to it, including its ability to transmit from person to person, the number of people infected. Despite the cases of infected doctors and Dr. Li's demise, the Wuhan Health Commission did not even acknowledge there was human-to-human transmission until more than 3 weeks later. Authorities in China played down the epidemic and allowed travel to continue as usual. Around 5 million Wuhan residents had left the city before all forms of transport were halted on January 23. The whistleblowers. Probably one of the most notable stories related to the COVID-19 pandemic, 8 Wuhan medical workers who sounded the alarm on the virus at the end of December were accused of spreading fake news and reprimanded by police. It was reported that Dr. Li Wenliang warned his colleagues in December 2019 about a possible outbreak of an illness that resembled severe acute respiratory syndrome, later acknowledged as COVID-19. But he was reprimanded by security officers for spreading rumors. In a tragic turn of events, he subsequently contracted SARS-CoV-2 and, after a period in intensive care, he passed away. The mysterious zero-case days. Wuhan reported no new cases between January 6 and 17 when the city was holding a series of important political meetings, known as the Two Sessions. Nearly 700 officials, lawmakers and government representatives attended the conferences. Furthermore, officials of a Wuhan community organized a huge banquet on January 18, inviting more than 40,000 families to welcome the Lunar New Year. The 12 days would have been critical in preventing the virus from spreading, but officials either reported 0 new cases or did not release a daily update. Vanishing cell phone users. China reported 3,277 fatalities from 81,171 bacterial infections as of beginning of this month, but a report observed the troubling disappearance of some 21 million cell telephone accounts in China about the previous 3 months, an unprecedented decrease that hints at much more fatalities than Beijing is geared up to confess. Authorities suggest that the drop could be caused by migrant workers, who often have one subscription for where they work and another for their home region.